Hello everyone! Happy to see you again. Today I went to a Bulldozer factory and to ship the D8 Bulldozer. As you see, this one is behind of my back. Okay. So this time I will give you a brief introduction about this model. Okay, let's go. As you can see, this bulldozer is model D8 and equipped with the ripper, single tooth ripper. And the track type is dry type, which is mainly used for the dry land. The blade type is tilt blade. It's a standard one. VSD8N. This model is similar to Caterpillar D8. Okay, now let me introduce this one part by part. For this single tooth ripper, it can be up and down, and you can change the angle of the tooth. If it is used for the mining area, the customers prefer to choose this single tooth ripper. And if for other area, there is also a 3-tooth ripper for optional. And for this track design, as you see, it is the elevated sprocket. This one actually the technology is from the Caterpillar, and I think it's about 40 or 50 years ago, Chinese factory learned the Caterpillar's technology and design. It's mainly about the design, then develop this track ship. For this one, it is a hydraulic direct drive, and the Siemens rigid suspended and hydraulic controls. It is an electronic control system. Later, I will show you the joystick inside of the cabin. Okay, let's see some details of the truck. The width of this track is standard one is 560 millimeter, and there is also 760 or larger one for optional. If it is used for the swamp land, there's another type. There's another track for optional. some. Oh. Yeah, let's see some details about the engine. This one is equipped with the Cummins engine. Actually, for the overseas market, we mainly recommend the Cummins engine because you can buy the spare parts and get the maintenance from your local Cummins agent easily. Yeah, you see, this is Cummins. Oh, oh. The nameplate of the Cummins is it's not easy to see. For this one, yeah, let me show you here. For this one, the D8, the power is 257 kilowatt. This is a Cummins engine. Yeah, the total weight is about 37 tons. Okay. Okay, let's go inside of the cabin. See, this is the mechanic suspension chair. Ooh. There's two stick. This one is for the blade. Left, right, forward, and reverse to control the blade up, down, and change the angle of the blade. And this one has to control the ripper, and also the left, right, and forward and reverse to control the rippers up and down, and change the ripper's angle. This is air condition and the fan. Yeah, this one is alarming, top alarm. This is for the air recycling, refreshing inside of the cabin. This is two back one is for the air outlet of the cabin, and there have two. Yeah, this two is for the fresh air come inside. Okay. Yeah, let's see this bottom. Oh. This is different functions of the lights, and I want to show you this one. These two, red bottom. One is for the blade, and one is for ripper. If you turn off the blade, that means if you did not turn on it, even you push this stick, the blade is not working. So when in the morning, when the operators start this machine, he need to start these two bottoms if he want to use the ripper and the blade. Okay. This is forward and reverse. Both are 3 gear. Yeah. Okay. Here is a screen. Yeah. This is a diesel fuel, and this is the engine rotate speed. This is a pressure. This is a battery. Okay. Close the gate. When you close all the windows, yeah, when you close all the windows, this cabin is totally sealed, which makes when you open the air condition, you can feel the cold effectively, because the cabin is totally sealed. Yeah. Okay, let's go down. If you have any questions or any part of the details, any details of the part of the bulldozer, you can leave me a message. Then I will show you. Okay. Yeah. Here's a nameplate. See. It's a Cummins engine, and because it is for the Russia area, so it's the nameplate is in Russia, and also the instruction manual and the spare parts. Okay. Actually, about this high elevated truck, we already exported to many countries, and the customers' feedback is they said this one compared with the Guangzhou design, different. I mean the different truck shape. They said this one can move faster because this special design. Okay, this is I think this is my video for today, and tomorrow morning we're going to load it on the trailer. So the bleed, I mean this part, the tilt bleed, tilt bleed and this rod will need to disassembled because the width is too large. It's about 8 meters. So we have to disassemble it, then put it on the trailer, then deliver it to the port. Okay, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.